Hello friends, this is Bhavesh and I am back with my another video. Our today's topic is inspired by a daily essential. Yes my friends, we can't think our life without it. So what is that thing? That is water. Yes my friends, water is an essential part of our life. So what things we can learn from water? Let's begin. The first thing I want to tell you that always flow. Like a fresh water always keep on flowing, we should always keep on flowing in our life. Keep on flowing means we should always be active, we should always do that thing which makes us happy, and we should always think our life on a long-term perspective. In this way we will able to achieve that thing in our life. The second thing is don't be stagnant. Yes my friends, when water gets accumulated in one place for a long time, it gets dirty. All types of germs, bacteria get collected on it. And similarly, when we stop on some problems, our mind goes towards negative mindset. Yes my friends, we think mostly of the negative thing can happen on that part. So if you want to grow, if you want to learn, don't be a stagnant. Keep hustling, keep learning, try to implement new things and you will able to come out from that situation. The third thing I want to tell you is always find a way. Yes my friends, you can't stop water flowing. It can make out its own way. Similarly, if you want to grow in your life, nobody can stop you. When you have that vision, when you that have intention, and when you do that consistently on a long time, longer time, nobody can stop you. That is the reason you should always find your way and you will reach on top. The fourth thing I want to tell you is be adaptable. Like if you pour water in glass, it will take that shape. If you pour that water in a mug, it will take that shape. If you pour that water in a bottle, it will take that shape. In similarly, what life teaches us, we should always adapt that thing and we should always learn from it. And we should always implement that thing in our life. We should be always adjustable. We should not be like ekdam stringent ki yes, this thing I can't do and this thing I can do. You should always have that learning mentality. So in order to grow in your life. The fifth thing I want to tell you is quench thirst. Yes my friends, like water always quench our thirst. In similarly, we should always help to the needy. We should always help to come out with the best potential. In similar way, we will able to grow in our life. So my dear friends, I like to conclude over here. I strongly believe our today's content will be helpful, and if you have any kind of feedback, if you have any kind of comments, do let me know. Your feedbacks and comments will help me to grow. It will help me to improve. All the very best to the winners. Stay blessed, stay happy.